If your knees hurt every time you squat, it's not the squat's fault, it's how you're squatting. Most people blame the exercise when really the issue is how their body's moving, and we can fix that. I'm Dr. Jordan, a chiropractor and a strength coach, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fix that issue. Knee pain during squats usually comes from two things: limited ankle mobility and poor load control. When your ankles can't bend enough, your heels lift, your knees drive forward, and pressure stacks up on the joint. Add in weak hips or quads that aren't firing properly, and your knees end up doing all of the work. So instead of avoiding squats, let's fix the real problem, your movement pattern, and the muscles that support your knees. Exercise number 1, wall ankle dorsiflexion drill. Start with ankle mobility. Get on one knee facing a wall with your foot a few inches away and drive your knee forward until it touches the wall without your heel lifting. This helps improve your ankle range of motion so you can stay balanced and upright during squats. Exercise number 2, banded terminal knee extensions. Next, activate your quads, especially that inner muscle that controls your knee tracking. Loop a band behind the knee, slightly bend it, and push straight back against the band. Think about locking the leg out and squeezing your quad at the top. Exercise number 3, box squat or tempo squat. Then, retrain your squat pattern. A box squat or a slow tempo squat teaches you to control your descent and load your hips and knees evenly. Don't rush, pause slightly at the bottom, then drive up through your midfoot. Exercise number 4, glute bridge marches or beast stance RDLs. Now let's wake up the hips. Glute bridge marches and beast stance RDLs strengthen your posterior chain so your hips share the load with your knees instead of letting them take all of the pressure. Squats don't cause bad knees, bad movement mechanics do. Focus on mobility, muscle activation, and controlled movement patterns, and your knees will feel better and your squat will start to get stronger as well. If this video helped you out, hit subscribe and make sure to check out my last video on building strong knees because it pairs perfectly with this one here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.